the next strategy that I'm going to tell you is about an option buying strategy, and in this we use the option chain. So I have opened the option chain, and let's say if I'm talking about Nifty, so generally I would do this strategy in the morning because there can be good movement. So I'm looking for, since it's an option buying strategy, I'm looking for good movement. So what I will do is, let's say at 9:20, I will try to find that call and that put which has the highest OI. So if you see here, the highest OI in the put side is in 19,300 and the highest OI on the call side is 19,500. So once I found these two strikes, basically why we are finding the OI is because generally it is assumed where there is the highest OI, that's the place which can be a good support or resistance, because we always assume that this OI is from the seller's perspective. So essentially the sellers don't want to lose this level, so they would try to protect the 19,300 level, and similarly they would try to protect the 19,500 level. Now what in this strategy, what we will do is we will only be monitoring these two strikes, the 19,300 strike and the 19,300 put and the 19,500 call, and we will find the price at, let's say, 920, so which is 45.4 for example and 15.9. Now I'm looking for a breakout in one of these strikes. So by breakout, what I mean is whatever is the current price, let's say 45.4, I will add 10%. So this becomes approximately 50. And similarly, whatever is the price to 19,500, I will add 10%, approximately 20. As soon as the price of this particular put, 19,500 put, goes above 50 or 19,500 call goes above 20, I will buy that respective option. Why? Because that means that there can be good short covering. Essentially, whoever has sold 19,300 put, they might want to exit, and because of that the price might keep going up, right? So we will be buying the option once it breaks the, and I will buy it after 10% because I want a good momentum in that particular direction. So once that happens, I will buy the option, and generally what I do is I keep a small stop loss. So whatever is the price of the option, maybe 20% of that is my stop loss. So in this case, if I'm buying the 19,300 put at 50 rupees, I will put a stop loss of 10 points and I will go for 1:2 trade. And generally you will notice that in the morning, since we are taking the trade, the movements are pretty quick. So either our stop loss will get hit or our target will get hit. But we will also have we will also have a time stop loss. So in this trade, I will maximum be in the trade for 30 minutes only. So if the stop loss or target is not hit in 30 minutes, I will anyway exit. So I have basically 3 exits. The first exit is the stop loss, the second exit is the target, and the third exit is the time exit of 30 minutes. So that's the entire strategy using the option chain.